All right, what is up, guys? I hope all of you are doing good and staying healthy. Um, it's unfortunate that the year ended up like this. Hopefully, we can see each other before the year is out. But if not, we'll adjust. With that said, I wanted to kind of go through for both the seventh grade class and the pre-AP, go through classroom and kind of give you an overview of what I expect in terms of how to do the work here. So go to classwork. Yours may look a bit different than mine since I'm the teacher. I don't know how yours looks, but everything is under the umbrella of distance learning here. And so this is my third period class, seventh grade math. Pre-AP is going to be a bit different. So I'm going to do seventh grade math first and then we'll do pre-AP. So first of all, hopefully you did this survey. This one says only 5 turned it in, but that doesn't mean you didn't do it. Make sure you click, like complete it whenever you do something like this so I know that you turned it in. But if you haven't done that survey, go ahead and do that. So we have week one, assignment one. The way I did it is I broke it down. First, you get the notes and the practice. So in this case, you watch this video and then you do this practice sheet. You can print it out, or you can try to do it on your iPad or your phone or whatever. Either way, that practice will not be graded. So, of course, you could just say, "Oh, I'm not going to do it," but you're cheating yourself out of the opportunity to practice. And then for the assignment, that'll be here. So this assignment will be graded. It'll grade it automatically. So once you turn it in, it'll tell you what your grade was. You don't have to wait for me to input grades. This will tell you what your grade was automatically. So just complete the assignment, hit submit. You cannot skip any of the questions. So we're gonna open that up here. You gotta put your first name, last name, whatever class period you have, and then you're gonna complete the assignment. You cannot skip any of the questions. All of them are mandatory. Once you hit submit here, it'll tell you what your grade was. So that's it for the seventh grade math. Now there's 2 assignments per week. So this was assignment one. Assignment two is the same way. Week one, assignment two. Week one, assignment two, notes and practice. Um, so you just watch these 2 videos. You're going to take the notes in your journal or on paper or whatever from these 2 videos. And then after you're done with that, you're going to do week one, assignment two. And again, complete this form. It'll be graded. You click that, open it up, first name, last name, class period. And then you're going to go through and do all of the questions, hit submit. It'll tell you what your grade was. And that'll be it for the week. If you did the paper copies, you're gonna pick those up tomorrow, Monday, the 23rd. That'll be due the next Monday. So this Monday is 23rd. Everything's due if you have paper copies on the 30th. If you're online, uh, your work is due on Friday at 3:40. So your work is due on Friday at 3:40. All right. So for the pre-AP classes, um, yours is tad bit different. Now I set them up kind of the same way. Again, if you haven't done a survey, go ahead and do that. Week one, assignment one, here's your practice and your notes. So video, notes, and then I also, well, video practice, and I also provided a key for the practice. And then you're going to do your assignment. Now, the assignment, like the actual assignment, is here. So you're gonna open that up. You can open that up in another tab. And so it's odd one out, which one doesn't belong. So look at the instructions and figure that out. The most important thing though is that your answer document is in a separate section. So you see here, week one, assignment one, odd one out. Week one, assignment one, answer document. So this is where you input the answers to that previous form. So we had the Auto one now, we're going to open that up in another tab, right? So we have this open here. Let's say the answer was card four. I don't know. Let's say it's card four. So we go here and we name, class period, and then I put, hey, card four was the item one out. Let's say I do the next one. Let's say it's card seven. So I would say, hey, card seven is the odd one out. So you're going to do that all the way down, hit submit. It'll tell you what your grade was automatically. So again, the odd one out assignment is here, but the actual answer document or where you put your answers is in this section here. For week one, assignment two, The notes are here. You're gonna watch this YouTube video, and they're gonna print this out. Hopefully, you have a printer. Print this out. This goes in your journal. There's the notes, and I believe there's a key at the bottom of it, so you know whether or not you got the answers right. Um, and then for the practice, week one, assignment two, um, practice is here. So you're gonna again, this the practice is never graded. So you're gonna open that up and complete the practice. Once you're done with that, there's an answer key to know if you got the answers right or wrong. And again, of course, I'm providing you the key, so you know what the answer is, but the whole point of it is to understand how you got that answer. So when you do the practice, really look for understanding and how you got those answers. Any questions, you can of course email me. um, the assignment to week one, assignment to check for understanding. This is the part that will be graded. Okay, so you want to open this up. It says Williams exit 8.5G. Open it up. There's only 3 questions. Okay, so you open this up in another tab. So you would right click it, open link in new tab, and then you're going to go here because this is your answer document. You're going to open that up, and so you will have both of these right next to each other. So let's say the answer to number one is A, first name, last name, class period, and then let's say the answer is A, boom, you hit that, and then whatever your other answers are, submit. It'll tell you what your grade is right away. So um, yeah, make sure you do that. All right, so that'll be it for that'll be it. If you have any questions, again, email me, let me know. There's also Remind. Hopefully, all of your parents are on there. If not, you can email me for the code, and then you can text me on Remind with any questions you have. Hopefully, again, I'll see you guys before the end of the year. If not, um, all of this is out of our control. I mean, I do wish that all of you stay healthy, wash your hands, all that good stuff, and hopefully we see each other again. Every week I'll be putting these videos out, kind of updating you on what we're doing here. But it should be pretty simple, guys. Everybody here can do it. Let's all get hundreds, and then finish out the year strong. See you guys later.